Introducing the James Webb Telescope, it recently made an exciting discovery in the Great Orion Nebula. Scientists have found 40 pairs of Jupiter mass binary objects, or jumbos. These planet-like objects are floating freely within the star-forming nebula. Researchers believe that the jumbos are formed through a process called disk fragmentation. They may have originated from circumstellar disks surrounding young stars. These disks have enough material to form planets but can also fragment and create binary systems. The jumbos have a mass similar to that of Jupiter, but they are still in the early stages of development. Some of them may eventually turn into proper planets, while others might remain floating in space. The discovery of jumbos is significant because it provides insight into the processes of planet formation. It also challenges previous assumptions about how planets develop in star-forming regions. Scientists are excited to study these objects further and learn more about their origins and evolution. The James Webb Telescope played a crucial role in detecting these jumbos. Its advanced technology and impressive capabilities enabled scientists to observe the Great Orion Nebula in unprecedented detail. By studying these planet-like objects, researchers hope to better understand the formation and evolution of planets both within our own solar system and in distant star systems. This discovery is just one of many that the James Webb Telescope is expected to make over its lifetime. Its powerful instruments and extensive reach will allow astronomers to explore the universe in ways never before possible. With each new finding, we get closer to unlocking the mysteries of our vast and fascinating cosmos. The James Webb Telescope is truly a revolutionary tool in the field of astronomy. It has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the universe and reshape our knowledge of planetary formation. We can't wait to see what other exciting discoveries it will make in the future. Stay tuned for more updates from the James Webb Telescope, as it continues to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. Thank you for watching AstroDaniel.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content about space and science.